Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we are covering a song request and I will be teaching you the latest sensational hit Naina da Kya Kasoor from the movie Andhadhun. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song we need 4 chords, and these 4 chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. So to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and chord G will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. Now in this song we are using a common strumming pattern, that is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So now I'm going to explain you how you will use this pattern in the song. So right now we are using chord C, and if we play this pattern on this chord, then it will sound like this. So now I'm going to give you a little bit explanation of this pattern. So this pattern is actually a combination of down and up strokes, as you can see. So it will be played like this: down, and then you have to play 2 up strokes together, and then you have to play another down stroke, then you play 2 up strokes together, and then another down stroke. Okay, so you practice it one by one. So down, 2 up strokes, then another downstroke, then 2 upstrokes, and then another downstroke. Okay, so keep on practicing it until you find your hand comfortable enough on the strings. Now once you're comfortable, you have to merge all these parts together. So when you merge these parts together, it will sound like this. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down. So that's the actual pattern. Now with time, you would be able to increase your tempo, because as soon as you get comfortable, you would be able to play this pattern in more comfortable way. So you can increase the tempo like this. Okay, then you can go with the tempo of this song. So for your benefit, I will be displaying you step-by-step description of various sections of this song. So you will be able to see it when I will be singing this song for you in the song play part. So now to play this song, I will be using a capo and placing it on 3rd fret. Okay, this is as per my voice range. But in case you sing on a higher scale than me, then you can move this capo up over the fretboard, or you can move it down over the fretboard. Okay, and you can use the same chords what we are using in this lesson. So now let's start playing the song. 1, 2, 3, 4.
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है। गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, पागल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें। नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर। ये दिल तो बता दे को हजारों बांधे थे धागे, पर पाजी निकला हम ही से आगे। हुआ क्या है, हुआ क्या है हमको। इत पल ये दौड़े, उत पल ये भागे, होनी हो जाए तब नैना जागे। हुआ क्या है, हुआ क्या है समझो। दिल दिल के मिलते सांचे और खाके, जो है बनाते ऊपर से जाके। बत्ती है ना कफूर, ना कफूर, ना कफूर। नैना दा क्या कसूर, क्या कसूर, क्या कसूर। नैना दा क्या कसूर, वे कसूर, वे कसूर। ये दिल तू बतावे। हाय।
So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have liked it. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon. In case you have a song request, then do connect me on Instagram and I will be more than happy to help you with your song requests. So until next time, do take care and bye-bye.